Hey guys, we received this AOOSY three-piece of the serving spoon, three-piece of the slotted spoon for test and try. So this is an advanced performance skimmer with a stainless steel finish. So it can be used in your buffet, bouquet, or anywhere you want to use. So let's test and try this. So this is around 2.08 inches in the spoon size and 8.66 inches or approx 8.7 inches in total, and you can see a really nice finish of steel, high quality material, as I can feel with the handle and the things. And then as a shiny surface is easy to clean and carry. It's like a slotted thing here that is not pinching or the things with the round corners, and a very nice cut and build. So this will be a great for your serving, and be used as a serving spoons, and can be used anywhere in your kitchen or your dining with a nice material and the thickness. So like the quality, and then these are the quality built ones, easy to handle and carry and use.